Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this video is about installing the drawer system for the LC200. And the system I chose after a lot of research was air down, gear up. They sent this package to me about a few months ago, but I was away out of the country, and now I've come back into my home in New Jersey, and it's time to open up the package and see if I can work with how to install it myself. I'm hardly a handy guy. I have 2 left hands and 10 thumbs, so I'm a little nervous. It's my first DIY, so let's hope I don't screw this up. Okay, where is this going to go? Well, it's going to go here. So this is what it's going to get into. My LC200 2014. I've christened it Globelander. You should follow our journeys if you feel it's an important one to follow. We're going to be driving from New Jersey to Argentina via Alaska, and then shipping this baby on to Sydney, and then circumnavigating Australia and end up at the World Transplant Games. As you can see, I donated a kidney, and that's what this is all about. Organ donation awareness. So let's get back into the garage, and that's the package from Air Down, Gear Up. So once the tape's cut, open sesame. What do we have here? These are all flat packed. Well, looks like a well packed. And these are all the panels that it comes with. It comes with, well, this is what I got. The 200 series Landcruiser Premier package, install instructions. So hopefully I can do this right. This is the package with the sleeper, which means it converts the whole thing into a sleeping platform when required. Okay, so I've taken a look at what's inside, and these are all the panels. You know, the flat panels that go in. This is the scrap to get it packed. Well, this is great. So I come down to the basement, and lo and behold, what do I find? More stuff. So the Air Down, Gear Up guys have sent me more stuff. So now it's time to unpack and figure out what's in here. Yeah, I know it's a messy basement. It's been lived in by a couple of students. And, well, I guess I have to come and clean it up. So yeah, we do have the hardware in this box, whatever these look like. I know they're useful. Hinges, Allen wrench, D-rings, a whole bunch of stuff. They're all marked well, alphabetically. So if you look at the instructions, I'm sure we'll end up using this correctly. It's going to be an interesting project. Of course, I gotta wait for my son to come in and be the helpful helper. So here are the instruction manuals. I'm looking at these instructions. They look perfect. I mean, I love the pictures. I orient better when I'm looking at things rather than reading instructions. Instructions don't work for me, just text. My dyslexia kicks in, but this pictorial representation of what needs to be done, and color pictures, nice touch. Air down, gear up. Love it. I hope I can get this thing done right, but knowing me, I'm going to be a klutz. I'm going to get some help for sure. So yeah, so this project is going to get underway, and stay with us. We'll start assembling it soon. If you're just tuning in, you're watching a total klutz install the drawer system, the sleeper and drawer system from Air Down, Gear Up, while we gear up for our huge 56,000 kilometer expedition from New Jersey to Perth, Australia.